He spent most of his life in a small cage. His previous owner brought him to a trader because Paco had behavioral problems. Paco was really stressed out and very scared. He was shaking. So we brought him home. Everything spooked him. I started with positive reinforcement training. But petting him, it took months. We built a strong bond by doing a lot of things together. We go for a daily walk or daily bike ride. He's used to being outside whole days with us. He enjoys it so much. He loves to cuddle. He loves my children. The trader told us that the previous owner clipped him from a very young age. Before he had learned to fly. So that's why flying doesn't come natural to him. He can fly now, but he prefers to stay with us. When you teach him something and you reward him for doing something good, he just immediately picks it up and does it again. He's 10 years old and he can become 25 to 65 years.
Dancing pretty good there, Paco. What step is that?
I love you, Paco. Please subscribe to support us and click the bell icon to get new video updates.